ever pamper yourself by putting on a facial mask and then hang out with your bestie and just relax?
Well, if not, we're going to show you how you can.
Now be sure to watch till the end for the fun part and save this for later and share it with your favorite person who you would do this with too.
Today we're going to be using the only Redox Signaling Molecules clay mask on the market. And this is our first time using it, and we're going to be doing it with you.
Now, why is this so cool?
Because it works like a magnet and draws out dirt, oil, makeup, residue, while you're preparing your skin for the signaling molecules.
Then the redox signaling molecules are what renews and rejuvenates your skin at the cellular level, and you know we're all about that. And it gets deep into the skin layers.
So we're going to put it on and leave it for 10 minutes because that's the 10-minute challenge that we're doing.
We're also going to add this little paper face mask that we're going to soak in redox molecules because that's just going to up-level what we're doing with the mask, and it's going to feel really relaxing while we sip on our redox mood to chill out. And this is actually going to open into a mask. We're going to show you. It's time to take it off and wash our face with warm water.
I'm so excited.
We've taken them off and our skin feels really good. It's very soft and my pores are definitely tighter. I mean, like I don't think anything's really done that very well. And so they're definitely tighter. My skin just looks and feels so much better.
I know. I think mine's glowing a little bit more.
Yeah,
I think it's got a little more resilience,
soft.
right?
Oh, it's really soft.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty awesome.
It feels really soft. Well, don't forget to grab our free resource so you can learn why you want more redox molecules, signaling molecules in your life. And stay tuned for more information on the mask and other videos.